Okay, we move on to speaking part 2. Describe a time you moved to a new home. You moved is past tense. So please, over to you.
Moving to a new place is always a maze task. Last year we moved to a new home. Last year we moved to a new home. It is situated in the city. From the countryside we moved to the city. The main reason I moved to far long distance from my college. Too far distance from my college. Too far distance from my college.
Yeah, 3 times far distance from my college, far distance from my college, and then the next thing. Don't cram your answers. You will be caught in actual exam. You know, whenever you repeat a word or a sentence, it means you have crammed your answer. Once upon a time, there was a crow and the crow was thirsty. Crow was thirsty, and then you move on. So try to focus your English language skill to speak English. Now, let me ask you some questions and you can answer. Why do people move to new houses?
Why do
Why do people move to new houses?
people move to new house? Because for some for job opportunity, some for job and education.
Hmm.
To move to new city, to move to the city and new home.
Okay. So just try to develop your speaking skill. Otherwise, this cramming will not help you a lot. Okay. Learn tenses, focus tenses, all the tenses, then helping verb, and then try to answer these questions. Read the question, look at the wall and answer. Okay. So you need to do a lot of practice. At the moment, it's quite weak. Okay. Thank you.